Okay, so what happened to the crypto Uptober that was supposed to happen? We got we got pullbacks in August. We got turnarounds and moves up in September, and everybody thought this October was going to be a stellar month. Gold was the first one, and what we're looking at is we're going to look at a couple of different charts, and I've thrown the long-term multi-year chart out first, and then I want to show you more of the short-term or what's been happening this year or the last few months. So gold, first one to really break. It started breaking in 2023, right, or late 2023, and then started to really excel this year. All right, so you got that cup and handle formation, then you had that little bit of a down drop, then we've got the breakout. Well, here's what gold's doing. It's been killing it this year, up 35%. The miners, depending on where you are, have been shining as well. But the breakouts really occurred. The two big breakouts for gold occurred in the February, March, April timeframe. And then the next breakout occurred in the last 2 months. So we had 2 months between mid-February, mid-April where we saw huge breakouts. Then we had some little bit of upward consolidation breakouts that have happened once again. 253.09 is what I had currently on the chart. That's the first one to break and go. The second one was the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 really didn't start going until about the end of Q1 of this year, but it too had that cup and handle formation. 2022, which was the bear market, 2023, which was the return, 2024 is the breakout to new all-time highs. Again, we didn't break out to new all-time highs until getting into April of this year. Look at the S&P 500. You can see what's happened here. I'm showing you the May to July, the pullback to August to where we are now. And again, that consolidation, 23% up right now, on track for a 20% plus return for 2024. So that brings me to Bitcoin. Here we are, Bitcoin. Bitcoin seen the cup and handle. The bear market happened in 2020, from 2021 to 2023. And then again, 2023 was the rebound. 2024, it jumped up, it pulled back, but we are still sitting into the what is now the fourth quarter of 2024, and we have not seen the jump to the upside for Bitcoin yet. But has it started? Well, a lot of us would say it has, because for the last couple of weeks we have jumped above that what I like to call that channel, that outward channel, slow outward bear channel. Right. So if it follows the path of gold and it follows the path of SPY, this breakout should be occurring real soon. We hit 69 again today. 69 seems to be a very big sticking point. In fact, I really like 69,750, which is some new areas. And by the way, we get above 70,000, we're going to see a lot of shorts that are going to come out of the market. There's a lot of short sellers that are sitting at that 70,000 level that I think every time we hit 69, they're selling into that 69 area. We get above 70,000, we're going to start seeing those shorter term shorts come off, with the longer term shorts coming off in the low 70s. But what I have here is a 47K low looking at this channel, a 67K high looking at this channel. That's a 20K range. Where does that put us? 87,000 target, which, by the way, was the target that I was talking about back in Q1. Commodity takeaways look like this. First comes gold, then comes S&P, then Bitcoin. All right, when will the breakout happen? Looks like it's trying to happen right now. The most important question, and this is one we're going to answer next year, what happens after BTC makes that run? All right, what I urge you to do is go back and take a look at what happened in 2020 and 2021, and you might be able to grab that answer. We're going to answer that question in a future event.